A doctor who can sell prescribed medicines. Pharmacist, chemist.
A document protecting people's works.
Patent, copyright.
A list of events placed in time order is usually described as what?
A chronology, a timeline.
A manufacturing process releases poisonous gases. What is the most important safety measure for workers at this plant, ensuring good ventilation, or appropriate footwear?
Ventilation.
Historians use evidence to draw conclusions about the past. Would a contemporary artist's painting of an ancient battle be an original source or secondary source?
Secondary source.
How do butterflies fly?
Flutter.
How do you call the seasonal flying of birds from cold to warmer areas?
Migration.
How many days in a fortnight?
"14 days.
How many sides are there in a bilateral agreement?
Two.
How many years are there in a decade?
10 years.
How many years are there in a millennium?
1,000 years.
How many years does it take to finish undergraduate study?
3 or 4 years.
How much percent is 3/4?
75%. How would you call people who study ancient bones, rocks and plants? Archaeologist.
How would you describe an economy that is largely based on farming?
Agricultural.
If a button has come off a shirt, what would someone most likely use to put it back on?
Needle and thread.
If a coat had a stain on it, where would you take it?
Dry cleaners.
If someone is feeling ill, they will say, "I am feeling under the ____".
Weather.
If something such as fabric or medicine is artificially made, what do we say it is?
Synthetic.
If telescopes are used to locate distant objects, what instrument is employed to magnify minuscule objects?
Microscope.